music on trendybeats.com.
It's Maestro on the beat, baby.
Mo ti sọ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ nínú orin tó ré kọjá, ẹni Ọlọ́run fẹ́ lọ́mọ èèyàn fẹ́, ẹ máa yọ́nú sí mi.
Allah ya baki mai gida mai hankali, amma gashi yau kina zagi kina shege dan banza wawa sha idan ki hakawo aikin banza ne kunci mai ce mara hankali banza ne
President General, President General, President General, Ogala, Mokawa Suke, Kawaye Suke, Iyabu Presido, Presido Sawo, no, President General among the Presido, Eva, Presido, Kawa Suke Fun, Kawa Suke Fun,
are excited to be here, 2025 Preschool Cultural Day. Thank you for your support. Without your support, we will not be having all this, will not be looking colorful. All I just want to say is thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's enjoy the moment and let's create memories. Thank you so much.
President General among the nation. Presido, I was a fool. Presido, no one. Presido to someone. Presido to someone. Presido to someone. We are cowards looking fool. The cowards looking fool. The cowards looking fool. We are cowards looking fool. The cowards looking fool. The cowards looking fool. Presido, someone. Presido to no one.
Please put your hands together for her. Put your hands together. It's making me emotional. All right, good day, ma. May we meet you? What's your name, sorry, ma?
Okay, my name is Gift Bamlong. My name is Gift Bamlong.
Gift Bamlong. So what culture do you represent, ma?
Eastern culture.
The Eastern culture.
Yes.
Okay, Eastern
Okay.
culture.
What we have here is I'm preparing banga soup because I'm from Delta State.
Okay.
So one of our favorite soups is banga soup.
Bang.
Yes.
So I'm craving already. So let's see.
Okay.
What do we have? Let's see the ingredients.
All right. So in here we have our fresh catfish.
Fresh catfish.
In here we have
Whoa.
our pre-cooked beef,
Oh.
stockfish, and pomo.
Wow.
I had to do this because I know we don't have all day to cook here.
Ooh la la.
Then in here I have my banga paste
The banga
already
paste.
pre-cooked. Then I have my gari here.
All
Then I
right.
have the soup ingredients.
The soup in here.
Yes.
All right. As you can see, this is the banga soup and gari. This is going to be very, very delicious. You're gonna take us around on how to make this. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right. So let's see. Oh, it's the money. All right. So may we know you, ma? What's your name, ma? Mrs. Salau Olaiton. All right. So ma, what do we have here? What do we have here?
Stamp parts.
All right.
Western part, or to be precise.
All right. The Yoruba. That's the western part. The Yoruba. All right. So what are you making? What are you preparing? Amala. Wow.
I have my baby soup.
Oh, and the bakery. Amala
I have
bakery.
ewedu here.
Ewedu.
And this is my stew.
Okay. The stew.
And shank.
Oh, the meat and the shanky. All right. The western part. Amala, ewedu, and bakery. Oh my goodness. Oh, elubo dudu. All right, that's the yam flour. That's our flour. Oh, the yam flour. Oh, I can't wait to taste this, man. This is really going to be yummy, I believe. All right, please, let's. I will know your name, man. Oh, this is so good. All right. Okay. All right, ma'am. Can we know you too? You're looking so beautiful, mommy.
I'm Mrs. Margaret.
Oh, this is Margaret. Okay, and this is Mrs. Umar Mohammed. So what do we have? What culture do you represent? Umar Mohammed. Oh my God. The northern culture. So what are we making, mommy? Masa and Mia Taushe. Alright, so in case you don't know, Masa goes with Mia Taushe. Anything. Alright, but the chosen Mia Taushe. Alright, so let's see the ingredients. Oh, Jesus. You know what I'm seeing here? Oh my goodness. Oh, chicken. Chicken stock. Oh, spinach.
Rice.
For the paste, masa paste. Granules. Onion. Tomato paste. Seasons. Oh, onion. Pepper and onion. Alright, we are going to take us through the steps. How we prepare this. We're going to see this, and I'm sure you are coming back while the preparation is going on. We'll be back to witness this. Stay tuned. Don't go here.
There are some ingredients that unite us together. As they've explained there, the different food they cook and they make, all are made from this source. Like beans, the Yoruba people make the soup from this bean. And the Igbo, the Ofaku, is being made using the that is we call it Ucharo in Igbo language. And other spices, like the outers, the one they are doing, they have their ingredients from here. So these are the things that unite both the eastern, the western, and the northern regions together. So we can't do without all this.
Alright, so in case you don't get what she's saying is these are the ingredients peculiar to all cultures, irrespective of the culture. You cannot do without using onion, you cannot do without using the palm oil. We have the egusi, the melon seeds, you cannot do without them, irrespective of the culture. These are the ingredients peculiar to every culture. Alright, thank you very much, Mrs. Ukabi. I can see Gary, I can see Iru, the locust beans, and Upe, Alright, thank you very much. This is wonderful. Ladies and gentlemen, here on this stand here, we have the ingredients peculiar to all cultures. Irrespective of the culture, we can't do without this. Thank you very much.
Anything me found with me, oh, you say now. All anything me found with me, say, okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ladies and gentlemen, 1 time 10. This way. Everybody now, shake your body. Oh yeah, shake your body up. Only a daily majuru. Get it. This way. Get it. A daily majuru. Somebody ready? Oh yeah, I get come on then. This way. Everybody now. Are you ready to do something free? Get on.